Welcome to Fisun Health and Wealth videos. In this presentation, we want to show you or to remind you of the various methods of undertaking physical exercises for fitness, and to show that whatever your age, gender, your social condition or economic or even spiritual condition, you still need to participate in regular physical exercises for fitness. In this presentation, we also want to remind you that your participation in physical exercises have far-reaching effects beyond the surface of your body. In other words, the exercises you participate in, the impact goes beyond the outer body but permeates into the inner parts of the body, including the bones. So you may be helping to strengthen your inner parts, like the bones of your body, right from head to toe. This is an important point to note. And another point to note is the fact that uh, this participation in exercises involves everybody, male, female, young and old. It's only that the level of intensity may be different one from another, but everybody is expected to participate. Some very mild exercises, and some may even take some rigorous exercises. All these are helping in the process of keeping you fit physically and even maintaining good health for your body. The pictures to follow are self-explanatory, but we shall continue to identify the actual uh, form of exercise that is taking place. Like here, you have somebody standing at a lat, but with arms stretched. You need to do this a few times a day. That is stretching not only your legs and also stretching arms. Yes, this is another form. You see, like this. Well, the intensity may vary from one person to another, but it is something that anybody, no matter how strong or less or not strong you are, this is something you can participate in and continue to keep your body well toned. Yes, now you can see this exercise is aimed at helping to stretch not only the legs but also the waist, and it may even you can see the arms, the way they are kept. All these are very important. If you have time, you need to participate in activities like this regularly. Now, this is an exercise that helps to tone the backbones, and all the muscles of the back, the hands, and even the legs, one way or another. You see, elderly ones used to complain of back pain, of rigid, very tough situation. But if you keep yourself well trained, I mean, you maintain body exercises on regular basis, you will be good. You find it good for you at the latter part of life. Now, this is an exercise combining the stretching of the back, the legs, and even the arms. Well, you can see if you stay in this posture for some minutes, repeatedly for some time, you will have a situation whereby your body will be stronger and stronger all the time. Yes, this is a sitting posture in which a number of people makes that is practice make are used to practicing regularly. Some people call it, some people identify this type of sitting posture with what we call yoga. Well, I don't know, but even though it's not yoga, but when you fold your legs, stretch your arms, and you be in a relaxed mood for quite some minutes, repeatedly for some time, all these help a long way to keep you well, toned, and you continue to maintain strength for your body. Yes, as you have seen earlier on at the beginning, these people, you can see their sizes. They vary, but they participate in physical uh, activity here, like jogging. Well, this is not a very fast running race, but a kind of jogging, mild jogging, maybe for a short distance or fairly long, depending on the ability of individuals. All these are very important. Now, what we are seeing here has to do with the toning of the face. Our face, maybe we don't realize that we need to be, sometimes we do massaging, sometimes we do pressing, sometimes we just keep them well toned. We make sure that the face are well exercised, and it will prevent things like wrinkles, or a situation whereby the eyes are becoming displaying premature old age. All these are very important for us to take note of. Now, this is also part of facial exercise. Facial exercise in the sense that training the cheek, the lips, and the chin. All these are very important. Regular. That's why, because many people neglect these activities that people don't even count as anything. That's why many people, before long, they started growing wrinkles, and they started worrying. Oh, how do I do this? But when you continue toning your face from time to time, even right from a tender age, you are making provision for your face to last longer, being very attractive and less display of wrinkles or showing premature old age. Now, what we are having here is the exercising of eyes. If you see the set of eyes up, you see they are looking towards a direction, maybe on our right as you are facing, and the set of eyes below, the pair of eyes below, are looking to our left as we face the camera. Now, all these are very important as well. What I can remember is that I've watched a lot of physical drill uh, films whereby even the eyes, they were trained to drill their eyes by turning the eyes here and there. All these are very important for us. Well, as you can see in this picture, this is another method of toning the face, exercising the face, that is making a form of balloon with the cheeks. Well, somebody will say, oh, well, what is the importance of this? It goes a long way to strengthen the face, and to keep the cheeks firm, the chin, and the lips. If you perform this exercise regularly, you will be sure that what you are going to experience will be very wonderful, thrilling, because these are methods of exercising the face, in which case you keep your face strengthened, and these type of exercises will ensure that wrinkles don't just creep on your face unexpectedly. Well, uh, this this couple here definitely are elderly ones, even with their walking sticks, they still choose to have some strolls here and there, to take some minutes to, to stroll round, maybe on an open space, maybe on a field nearby, or maybe just nearby near the house. All these are very important. The little you can do on regular occasions, try and participate in order to make sure you keep your body healthy. Uh, when you participate in exercises, one of the benefits is that you strengthen your body immune. You will be stronger. Your body will be able to resist diseases, infections, and so on. Yes, the same way we have these two people here also. One of them is probably younger, while the other one is an elderly one. One is on a bike, a bicycle, while the other one decides to have some trekking. Well, this is also very important. You see, the little you be doing on regular basis, you cannot quantify the importance of improving the health situation or health condition of your body. So it is good for you and I to always think of, in our busy schedules, just always carve out some time to participate in some form of physical exercises. Well, as we have seen earlier on, these are groups of exercises that involve maybe some, beyond just sitting down or lying down. These are some activities that involve, maybe some, stretching of the body, some, all these tumbling activities, the one you can do. Just do something. Don't just stand aloof. Don't feel unconcerned. Don't feel like, oh well, I don't have time for all this, will not do anything. But I can assure you, all these activities go a long way in strengthening your body system. And maybe before we round it up, even the sitting. Many people don't even realize that there are correct ways or postures of sitting. People just sit anyhow, bend their back, and so at some time they started feeling pain. But if you study the way this person is sitting, you see that she tried to keep her body at an angle of 90 degrees. All these are very important for you and I. I am Phillips. Please, we cherish your likes, uh, comments, and subscription to help us to perform better at later time. Thank you.